If you love camping and staying ahead of the game, this video is for you. We're breaking down 20 next-level camping gear picks and gadgets, all designed to make outdoor life easier, safer, and way more comfortable. From advanced shelter tech and smart lighting to compact cooking kits and survival gear that blends practicality with innovation, these are tools meant to upgrade your wilderness game. Whether you're on a weekend escape or a long expedition, these picks will help you camp smarter. When you're heading out with limited pack space, you need gear that gives you room without weighing you down. The Montiro Triphyr backpacking tent strikes that balance with its F-Nexus extension 2-person combo and an attachable extension shelter, providing extra space when needed. This lightweight 2-person tent uses 20D ripstop nylon with a silicone coating, aluminum alloy poles, and an imported build. Its 3-door layout boosts access and airflow. It's made for backpacking, camping, hiking, and biking, where reliable shelter matters. When long hikes or outdoor adventures leave your legs tired, having a rest spot within reach makes all the difference. Meet the Step 2 Gold PRO Tar-Dar Chair, a portable trekking hiking pole that instantly converts into a foldable chair. Made of lightweight aluminum, it features an ergonomic handle, anti-slip rubber feet, and a reinforced structure for stability. With easy carry, storage, and a smartphone holder, it's perfect as a walking cane with a chair, giving comfort and support during camping, hiking, or outdoor activities. Long hikes and outdoor adventures demand a portable fire source that's reliable and easy to use. The Tokyo Camp HAKOSUKA fire pit is a foldable stainless steel wood-burning stove with a lightweight, compact design perfect for solo camping, outdoor barbecues, and bonfires. Inspired by the iconic Skyline GTR HAKOSUKA, it blends rugged Japanese aesthetics with functionality. With a quick 15-second setup, no tools required, and a convenient carry case, it's a trusted bestseller in Japan for outdoor enthusiasts seeking portability and style. Cold nights on camping trips or indoor sleepovers call for a sleeping bag that keeps you cozy without weighing you down. The Tanstrider sleeping bags are lightweight, compact, and waterproof, designed for backpacking, camping, traveling, hiking, or even hotel stays. Featuring a draft collar, adjustable half-circle hood, two-way zipper with guard, and roomy foot space, they retain warmth while offering comfort. Suitable for 3 or 4 seasons, these durable polyester ripstop bags come with a compression sack for easy storage and portability. Outdoor adventures and unexpected power outages require a reliable, versatile light source. Introducing the BougeRV Camping Light, a telescopic rechargeable lantern with a 13,400 mAh battery that doubles as a power bank via USB-A output and Type-C input. Its 4 rotatable lamp heads offer 1,500 lumens per panel with adjustable color and brightness across 9 settings. IPX5 waterproof, collapsible, and portable, it features a flashlight and SOS modes, a magnetic base, and easy brightness control, perfect for camping, hiking, emergencies, and adventure activities. Staying hydrated and hands-free during intense workouts or outdoor adventures is essential for performance and comfort. The INOXTO Hydration Vest Backpack is a lightweight, insulated day pack with a 1.5-liter water bladder weighing just 140 grams. Ergonomic and breathable with ventilated mesh, adjustable shoulder straps, and a hip belt, it ensures comfort and stability. Multiple pockets and reflective trims provide secure storage and safety. Ideal for hiking, trail running, cycling, marathons, and other outdoor activities, it combines hydration, convenience, and lightweight design in one pack. A good night's sleep outdoors makes all the difference on any adventure. The Hest Foamy mattress pad is a memory foam, portable roll-up sleeping cots designed for comfort and support with dual-layer construction. No pump is needed, and its water-resistant design ensures durability. With an easy carry handle, integrated compression strap, and handy top pocket, it's ready for camping, hiking, or travel. Perfect for all outdoor adventures, it combines convenience, comfort, and portability in one compact package. Bright, hands-free lighting is essential for safe and efficient outdoor activities or work in the dark. The Keikuy rechargeable headlamp comes as a 2-pack with 4,500 lumen super bright LED lights and a 1,500 mAh rechargeable battery lasting 4 to 10 hours. Magnetic and detachable, it doubles as a handheld flashlight and attaches to metal surfaces. Waterproof with an IPX5 rating, adjustable head rotation, and multiple lighting modes, it's perfect for camping, hiking, working, or any outdoor adventure where reliable illumination is needed. Relaxation outdoors requires a lounger that combines comfort, durability, and versatility. Meet the Ostrich Reclining Lounger, a 72 by 22 inch chaise perfect for patios, beaches, lawns, camping, or poolside tanning. Featuring an open and closed face cavity, arm slots, and a pillow, it delivers ultimate luxury lounging. Rust-resistant aluminum and alloy steel frame with heavy-duty polyester fabric ensure longevity, while breathable, quick-dry material keeps you cool. Lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry, it's ideal for any outdoor adventure or relaxation session. Comfortable and reliable seating is essential for enjoying the outdoors without strain. The DMH Outdoors folding chairs come as a 2-pack of oversized heavy-duty chairs supporting up to 400 pounds. Built with a rugged steel frame and metal armrests, they provide durability and long-lasting comfort. Each chair features a foldable design for easy storage, a ventilated ergonomic backrest, and a swiveling cup holder. Perfect for camping, tailgating, backyard relaxation, or any outdoor event, these extra-large chairs combine strength, convenience, and comfort. Making perfectly roasted treats over a campfire can be tricky without the right tool. The Cuisinart s'more roasting reel ensures even roasting with its rotating fork, ideal for marshmallows, hot dogs, sausages, and more. The telescoping fork extends from 8 inches to 20 inches for safe handling and is removable for easy dishwasher cleanup. Designed with an ergonomic handle for comfort and control, it complements versatile outdoor cooking setups like the 2-in-1 griddler with a 204 square inch griddle, a 14-inch carbon steel wok, a stainless steel tabletop, and a 50,000 BTU burner. A practical, giftable accessory for any outdoor chef. Staying fresh and clean on the go can be a challenge when showers aren't available. Pure Active Shower Body Wipes offer 60 individually wrapped, extra-large wipes for men and women, perfect for gym sessions, travel, camping, or outdoor sports. Hypoallergenic, paraben and alcohol-free, enriched with aloe vera and vitamin E, they cleanse and nourish the skin while keeping you refreshed. Simply pull a wipe for a quick shower-like experience, eliminating sweat and odor. Convenient, portable, and effective, these wipes ensure personal hygiene anytime, anywhere, making them an essential for active, busy lifestyles. Cooking outdoors requires a portable stove that's flexible, reliable, and safe. The Chef Master Dual Fuel Camp stove delivers 12,000 BTU power and works with both 8-ounce butane and 16.4-ounce propane cylinders. It features a double wind guard, an instant piezo ignition system, and a built-in automatic gas shutoff for safety. Compact and travel-ready, it's perfect for camping, hiking, tailgating, barbecues, and emergency prep. Lightweight with a durable carrying case, this versatile stove makes outdoor cooking quick, easy, and dependable wherever your adventures take you. Staying hydrated during intense outdoor activities is essential for performance and safety. The Chimona Hydration Backpack is a lightweight, durable pack made from high-quality polyester and PU materials, designed to hold a 2-liter TPU water bladder. Its ergonomic design, padded shoulder straps, and breathable mesh back panel ensure comfort, while adjustable sternum and waist straps provide a stable fit. With a quick-access hose and small front pocket for essentials, it's perfect for running, cycling, hiking, climbing, or camping, offering convenient hydration on the go. Enjoying outdoor fires without smoke or hassle elevates any gathering. Introducing the OneSetNuf Smokeless Fire Pit, A 21-inch stainless steel fire pit with dual airflow secondary combustion for clean burn and high-efficiency heat. Its detachable ash pan ensures easy cleanup, while multi-fuel flexibility allows wood, pellets, or charcoal use. Portable and durable, it warms 4 to 8 people for backyard, patio, or camping adventures. Minimal smoke, maximum warmth, and radiant firelight make it perfect for outdoor comfort, cozy evenings, and memorable social gatherings. Comfortable sleep outdoors is essential for energy and enjoyment on any adventure. Introducing the Alpcour Camping Cot, a deluxe, collapsible single-person bed in a bag with a pillow, supporting adults and kids up to 300 pounds. Made from double-layer 600D polyester and a durable steel frame, it offers water resistance, easy cleaning, and a gentle incline for neck and back comfort. Lightweight, portable, and quick to fold, it's perfect for camping, backpacking, beach trips, backyard relaxation, or road trips. Extras include a padded pillow and a side pocket for essentials, combining convenience and comfort in one cot. Protecting yourself from mosquitoes is essential for comfortable outdoor adventures. The Nitecore Mosquito Repeller offers a 16-foot protection zone with rechargeable ultrasonic technology, keeping bugs away during camping, hiking, fishing, or backyard barbecues. Ultra-compact and lightweight at 5.26 ounces, it can be held comfortably, clipped to a backpack or belt, or placed at your campsite. Dual function with mosquito repelling and ultrasonic modes, OLED real-time display, and 18W power. It's perfect for road trips, night searching, outdoor work, and indoor mosquito control, ensuring bug-free enjoyment wherever you go. Enjoying outdoor cooking requires a compact, safe, and efficient grill. The COBB Portable Charcoal Grill is a stainless steel, smokeless barbecue perfect for camping, boats, RVs, or backyard use. Featuring a griddle pan, power fill function, and carry bag, it fits easily in vehicles. Its double-walled base stays cool to the touch while protecting surfaces, and adjustable vents allow precision heat from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Fuel efficient with 80% less charcoal and easy-to-clean non-stick pans, this 304 stainless steel grill delivers gourmet meals conveniently and safely anywhere. Relaxing outdoors is best enjoyed with a hammock that combines comfort and durability. The Lazy Daze hammocks feature a 12-foot double-quilted fabric design with a spreader bar and detachable pillow, supporting up to 450 pounds for 2 people. Made with double-layered quilted polyester, a padded head pillow, reinforced hand-woven ropes, and a 55-inch hardwood spreader bar, it ensures comfort and long-lasting stability. Compatible with 13 to 15 feet stands or tree-hanging setups, it's perfect for patios, gardens, poolside, or beach relaxation, offering a cozy retreat for family, friends, or yourself. Comfortable and secure footwear is essential for outdoor adventures in summer. The Dannto hiking sandals are closed-toe athletic walking sandals with a quick-dry webbing upper and durable rubber plus EVA sole. The bungee closure ensures an adjustable, perfect fit, while the cushioned midsole with ergonomic arch support reduces foot pressure for all-day comfort. Anti-skid rubber outsole provides grip and prevents slips. Lightweight and versatile, these water shoes are ideal for hiking, vacation, beach trips, fishing, wading, camping, tourism, travel, and everyday summer wear. Thanks for tuning in. These 20 gear picks are all about pushing beyond basic camping, giving you convenience, safety, and readiness for the outdoors. If something here caught your eye, grab it while you can. I'll keep bringing fresh gear suggestions, tech updates, and smart camping hacks. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Stay prepared, stay comfortable, and make every trip count.